Hello, my name is Elise. My favorite color is orange. And do you know what I love? Art. Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to make these adorable pom-pom keychains. So what you'll need is some little key rings, which I'll link in the description, scissors, marker or any writing utensil, something round to trace that you don't care about getting marks on, and yarn, and some type of cardstock or thick paper. First, what you need to do is trace something round and cut it out, and then cut it out another one the same size, and then draw a circle in the middle. At the end, they should be a C shape, kind of like this. Also, you can make different sizes of them according to how big you want yours to be. Next, wrap your piece of paper with yarn until it is about 1/2 inch thick. And make sure to leave a little tiny string at the end so you can tie it off. Now that we're finished with that, we'll just cut off the excess. Make sure you have more than you need so you can trim it further if you need to. And then tie it to a little piece of string that you started off with. Then put your scissors in the middle of the pieces of paper and cut it apart. Then put your string in the middle of the same 2 pieces of paper and tie it. And now we can take off these little cardboard pieces and you have your pom-pom. It's not the best shaped, so you can go back in with your scissors and shape it up a little bit. But then after that, tie the excess yarn around this loop. You can tie it however you want, but I just did a square knot. Here's the finished product. And if you want to attach it to a keychain, you can attach it to a carabiner or pry this open a little bit and attach it to your zipper. Have fun crafting and make sure to subscribe to all of the above. Also, comment below if you want more DIY videos.